Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 2nd, 2022. Terra Luna. Look at this chart right here in Terra Luna. Like this particular cryptocurrency, we got to keep it real. It is massively bullish. There's a lot of other altcoins, cryptocurrencies in the space that is not even trading like Terra Luna. This market here is definitely exhibiting some monumental strength, right? I'm going to talk about that today. So welcome to the channel, HueFin. We're also known as HueFin News. This is the spot, the location that I'm going to drop price predictions on the price chart without being confused. I mean, you guys can see I did one for Terra Luna not long ago. Market went against it. Hey, it happens. You're not going to get every price target, every price prediction correct 100% of the time. But I'm going to be fully transparent. I'm going to show you the ones I get right. I'm going to show you the ones I get wrong, because in either situation, we can still learn how this game is being played. So if you guys appreciate it, hit the like button, share, subscribe, tap that bell notification as well so you don't miss out on our content. Now, February 13th was the last video that I've done for Terra Luna, just a continued follow on prediction. I was looking for the price in Terra Luna to go down right here on the 13th of February. Okay, so let's zoom in. Right here on the 13th, this is where the market was trading at that particular time. All right, I was playing in weakness still, and you guys can see that, yeah, Terra Luna has gone down, but it was very minor. It wasn't impactful to us seeing the price come all the way down to where we really expected it to go, right? Yeah, it didn't. So I didn't get this price prediction correct, and then the market went off on a tear. It just completely went up in price. So at what point would you have noticed that, yeah, I might need to cut this position, because if I don't, my losses will increase? Well, let me give you this teachable moment, because I am a very staunch advocate to tell you that the market always gives you signals, indications to tell you that, yeah, you might need to let this go and join the rest of the market and ride in the price the opposite way. Let me show you this, because like I said, first indication for us to know that Terra Luna is not extremely weak was right here. Okay, because like I said, we did see the price dip. We saw weakness come into the market in Terra Luna right here on February the 21st. So let me break this down. Okay, this is where the weakness continued, right? But pay attention to the next day. Following this weakness that came through on the 21st of February, the indication, this is what we would like to have seen, but we didn't see it. Price should have continued to bleed through. We should have saw price in Terra Luna continue to fall following the 21st of February. That was the indication that we were expecting, but we did not see that. Look what happened instead. The next day, the market in Terra Luna reversed. It went back up, and not only did it go up, it went up on high volume, right here. It went up on high volume. And then the spread of this day, the 22nd of February, literally erased all of the selling that came through the prior day's trading. Unless you know that this market is definitely trying to do something and is not trying to go down. This was our indication right here to say, yeah, you might, the market was giving us hints. It's telling us, hey, I know y'all looking at the price to go down in Terra Luna, but I'm trying to tell you right now, the 21st and the 22nd of February, you might need to let this go, because if you don't, your losses will increase. They always give us answers, because if you would have saw that on this particular day, yeah, you could have minimized your loss to only 9%, 9.3% versus where the market is right now, which is 81.62. You see that, right? This is how this game is being played, and you definitely got the answer to let this play go right here. This answer right here told you that this market is not going to go down. So if anything, we would have to cut the play right there, and that's around 26.55% loss. This was a dead giveaway that this market in Terra Luna was going to continue to go up in price. I mean, you got the movement lower throughout the day of 24th, but we still saw price close at the high of the bar on high volume. Like, that's a dead giveaway. If you guys would have saw this price action on the 24th of February and would have bought on this day, yeah, you're up already 43%. This is how this game is played without the confusion. Understand, the answers are already here. So now let's talk about Terra Luna going forward, because Look at this. This is why I'm telling you all that this particular market in Terra Luna is massively bullish. Like, you don't see any altcoins trading this way to where price is in a very defined upward trend. This is what you want to see when you're looking to hold cryptocurrencies, stocks, commodities for the long term. This is what you want to see. So this cryptocurrency is massively strong. Now, as I create this video today, we got to pay attention though. Like, we hit a top not long in Terra Luna, like back here in December of last year. And this market is coming right back here again to test that level. So we have a very wide area that we can see this market in Terra Luna trade. This is it. This is the biggest area of concern as this market in Terra Luna trades in March as well as in April. This is a very wide range. Literally, it's about 60% range from this ascending line to this horizontal line up here at the top. You guys can see it. We got to be careful because a lot of people would think that this is massively weak if the price comes all the way back down to this trend. And if we get rejected there, people would think that this is a bearish market. But when you zoom out, this is a very strong market, right? So let's check this out. This is the 3-day time frame here into the market in Terra Luna. This here is still very important, okay, from a 3-day perspective. And you might even see this on a monthly time frame that would substantiate that Terra Luna is going to go massively higher. Look at this. Look at this. This is why it's so important to know the language of the market, because you begin to miss out things if you don't transition over to different time frames. Look at this. So last month, January, the weakness in Terra Luna came through. Yeah, no doubt. But then look at the next month, February. The market reversed. We saw a market come down. January, February came right back up. This tells you that this market in Terra Luna is massively strong. People are trying to take this price higher. And for this reason, just by looking at the monthly time frame, we have to be on the strength side of this market. This is very bullish, to the point to where you would expect us to make all-time highs at least. Okay. Very, very strong there on the monthly time frame in Terra Luna. You guys can see it even here on the 2 weeks. It seems as if right here on this 2-weekly price bar, the market should never have happened. What happened on this 2-weekly price bar was an individual or a couple of individuals with very large amounts of Terra Luna or Luna coins. They wanted to sell out, but the demand was so strong that price could not continue. All right, so let me go ahead and show you all what my expectations are. Okay, we're going to play some strength here into the market, but again, you're going to have to be careful because we already saw price get rejected up here towards $100 and $200 even, give or take. We got to be careful of that. Okay, especially in the near term. We can see the market in Terra Luna continue to get hit with some rejection. Now, the basis of support though, we can all see is right here around $82 to $85. We could hold that. Okay. From a monthly perspective, I'm looking for the market in Terra Luna to make all-time highs again. That's from the monthly perspective. But from a daily, yeah, you might need to just grab the bag right there around 100 to 102. And that's around 9%. But nevertheless, from a long-term basis, this is a very strong market in Terra Luna. Okay, so I'm going to play the strength here on this particular forecast package, specifically on the monthly time frame. I like what happened into the market in Terra Luna there, and we're going to continue to look forward to price going up in Terra Luna, but our attention is going to be focusing on this area. All right, so you guys can see it. Hit this thing back over to the daily time frame, and now we just need to chill out, sit back, and let the market trade. All right, now It's your turn. I want you all to try to drop me your price prediction, your price target into the comment section of this video and let everyone know where do you suspect the market is headed in Terra Luna. All right, just give it a try. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.